Hi, I am Luisa and today I'm going to show you how to use your multi-position hoop. With your multi-position hoop you'll be able to realize big embroidery designs. With the multi-position embroidery hoop, you can embroider designs up to 12 to 4.7 inch in size. Thanks to the 3 available embroidery positions, the designs are embroidered continuously. This is ideal for border embroidery and individual combinations. When hooping the fabric, secure it with the included clips. This also helps keep the fabric taut on larger projects. To demonstrate, I'll choose an embroidery design from the app. When embroidering with the multi-position hoop, the design is automatically divided among the respective embroidery positions. The screen shows the position where the frame should be placed. Once the first embroidery area has been completed, the machine stops and indicates the position to which the embroidery hoop must be moved. Slide the embroidery hoop into the desired position. Pull the top thread tight and continue embroidering. Depending on the pattern, several position changes may be necessary. Now you know how to realize large embroidery designs. For more videos, please subscribe this channel and like this video.